Ticklers. It is I, Tickler Nick. This is the second coming of Tickler Nick. A bike and its boy, I told you I would be back. But, you know, sorry for the weird angle. I'm kind of on a little bucket, but new tire for the CBR. Barking dogs because it's 1 a.m. and yeah, I'll try and show you guys what happened here. Oh, it's so dark. There's a nail, a pretty big nail right there. But yeah, so let's get you guys back on here. That's the reason I haven't been riding. And I needed a swing arm stand. So what we got right here? I'm gonna go yell at the dog. I'll be right back. Those of you long-term viewers who have been subbed to the channel for a while, since like my first video, I think it was, you can definitely see the gains being put on. Like I said, I've been hitting the gym every day. That's part of the reason why I haven't been posting, but let's go ahead and get the swing arm stand unboxed, because this is a how to change your tire video, but not really, because last time I tried to do this, it took me way longer than I am proud to admit. So, yeah, it's a swing arm stand right there. All right, well, that's about as much as I can do for this part of the video. I just wanted to, you know, announce that this is the second coming of Tickler Nick. But I'll catch you guys, I want to say tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to do it tomorrow. So probably in another week whenever I put that tire on, and then we're gonna go ahead and start riding again. So we'll, you guys will see that like right now. All right, it's the next day. They're like chipping a lot of trees, so it's probably gonna be a little noisy, but I just want to get this done. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. Here's a better shot of the nail that's in my tire. And got it up on the stand. I just got the wheel loose. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and we'll get started. Right, we got some tire irons. And like I said, last time, this took me, I'm getting framed. Oh my goodness. Last time, this took me probably about 6 hours of working on it. And had to do it over 2 days before I finally realized that I was a stupid. And we're gonna try to avoid that this time. But yeah, let's just try to get into this. Also, I scratched my rim off a ton last time, so we're gonna try to minimize that. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm gonna get some soapy water to lube it up, and then I'm gonna break the bead on the other side, and then I'm gonna try to get it out. Soapy water. Okay. Now, try to get this thing off. is hard to do. Guys, I've had a eureka moment and I've gotten a little bit of it off. I think I can get the rest off now. That's progress. Now we just gotta do the other side. I've done it. Woo! A lot better than last time. I'll tell you that. Look at that. That's what caused me to get a flat. Now, we have this side here. We're just gonna yeet it. Move on to putting the new one on. Boom. You know, I think I'm getting to become a pro at this. This last part's gonna take a little bit more to get on, but just take it inch by inch. Give it some power, and we're on. There we go. Now all that's left to do is go ahead and fill it with air and put it back on the bike and we'll be done. Boom. Didn't need anyone but myself. Took me probably about an hour, but I could have done it faster if I was a little smarter in the beginning. But let's go ahead and fill it up. Thanks for watching a idiot put on a wheel by himself, but we got it done. So this is my official comeback. No promises on my upload schedule because I still am very busy, but just know that I haven't quit. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for not unsubscribing, and I will catch you guys sometime in the future. So peace out. Got the new tire on, everything's good. Let's go ahead and give it a start up. It's been sitting for about 6 days without starting, and it's chilly out. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw a helmet on, get dressed, and take it around the block. So goodbye, people.